Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your Kling AI subscription. Okay, so first of all you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account you need to tap on your profile icon at the left side very bottom. Once you tap on your profile icon you will see this kind of window. On this window you will see your all profile details, and in the left side you will see there is a option like VIP plans. You need to tap on this option and after it will pop up a new window. You will see your membership plan details, and right now I don't have any active plan, but in your case if you have any subscription you will cancel your subscription on this window. All the subscription details will over here and you can cancel your subscription by using this way. Now if you have any other issues you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and take care. See you soon in the next video.